Little girl, what happened with her, we all know. She tried to please her father, but instead of pleasing her, what happened? She actually disturbed him and annoyed him. Why? Because she stuffed the pin cushion with that important papers which he has prepared for some important job. Actually, that was a speech for Port Authority, and that piece, when she was preparing pincushion, she was not knowing. She was so innocent that what to stuff in that. So she went to her mother's and father's bedroom. There she saw papers laying, and she took it. She made all the small pieces of it, and thereafter she stuffed her pincushion with that. When father came to know about it, he was extremely angry. Why not? Because that was important document. And he scolded her badly, as well as also, what did he do? You all remember? Punished her, hit her. I know that physical abuse is not a right thing, but he wanted to teach her a lesson that before taking any important document, at least she should come and ask her parents. So it was a lesson which he wanted to give her for lifetime. Now, already we know that she is scared of her father, and then this incident happened. So she asked a major question from her grandmother, that why God make fathers? Because she always feel that my father is not a nice human being. He is not loving. He is not compassionate. He is not caring. And this incident happened. So all these things made her to believe that father, they are not good person. But then something happened. Even though grandmother tried to console her that fathers are good, okay, he always wanted to bridge the gap. She basically grandmother, she always wanted to bridge the gap, and she always wanted, that is why she asked her to go for Sunday conversation, afternoon conversation. There also she failed. And thereafter, when she asked, grandmother asked her to prepare birthday present, there also she failed. Now these things were happening, and then once she saw her neighbor. So see what will happen. I'm just go sharing screen now. Mm. Kezia, now listen, look at this line that Kezia mother told her to go to sleep, and by morning she would forget the beating that her father gave her. Okay, but the child never forgot. But Kezia never forgot the beating that she had got. Whenever she saw, and then what happened, next time she saw him, her father, she quickly put both hands behind her back, and a red color flew into her cheeks. So Kezia never forgot the beating that she had got. Basically, small children, they are very tender hearted, very soft hearted. It is very difficult for them to forget these kind of crucial moment, harsh moment of their life. That happened with Kezia also. She did not forget. And that is why whenever she saw her father approaching, coming, she would keep her hands behind her back, because she felt that maybe he would hit her again. And she was so scared that red color flew into her cheeks. Basically, whenever she saw her father, she got scared, and obviously her cheeks got full of red color. The McDonald's lived next door. Now something happened. What happened? McDonald, one person, they lived next door. They were neighbors of Kezia. They had 5 children. Looking through a gap in the fence boundary, the little girl saw them playing tag in the evening. The father with the baby Mao on his shoulders, 2 little girls hanging on to his coat pockets, ran around and around the flower beds, shaking with laughter. Once she saw the boys turn the horse on him, and he tried to catch them, laughing all the time. Now, what Catherine wants to say, writer wants to convey, she says that Kezia neighbors, why she is describing all these things? Her neighbor were a family. Their name was McDonald. McDonald's had 5 children. Kezia, whenever she was getting time, she would peep at them through a hole in the fence. She was peeping, looking that what is happening. She would see that the family had a lot of fun. Everyone is enjoying. You know, they played a game called tag. Tag, is a children game of catching one another, like we play catch, something like that. Now, she was really surprised to see that all the children, along with their father here, why she is emphasizing? Because for her, father is a scary thing. But these children, all 5 children, with their father, would have a lot of fun. It was unimaginable for Kezia that with father someone can have fun. And then she describes Mr. McDonald would make his little baby mouse sit on his shoulders, and the 2 little daughters that he had, they would hang onto his coat pockets. So all the children were so much attached to their father. They loved him so much that they are always around him. They would run around the garden, around the flower beds, and they would laugh and laugh and laugh. Yes, which was really astonishing for her because she had never laughed with her father. For her, because her father has always been a scary thing. That's why she used to compare her father to monster, if you remember. And then this entire incident happened, the birthday incident. So she cannot even imagine that any child or any family can have fun with their father. Kezia also wanted to have such fun with her father, but unfortunately she missed it. And then not only that, one day she saw that the little sons of Mr. McDonald opened the hose on him, water. They opened the water pipe, and tried to make him wet. Can you imagine? For her, it was really unthinkable that one can play with water with her father. But Mr. McDonald was not angry with them. Rather, he tried to catch them and also used to laugh with them. And this entire thing was strange for Kezia because according to her, her father was just the opposite of Mr. McDonald. She decided they were different sort of fathers. Then one thing, she came to one conclusion. Previously, she was thinking that fathers are always very harsh, rude, okay, as her father, but now she had some different conclusion. And what was that? Now, when Kezia saw Mr. McDonald, she realized that he was quite opposite to her father. And then she realized this important discovery she made, that God had made various kind of father. There are different kind of father in the world. Now you will come to the climax. What happened? What was the incident that changed the mindset of Kezia, which is very important. Children, all well? My voice is audible, screen visible. Please raise your hands once again. Okay, thank you. So now see, we are coming to the last incident where Kezia will tell you that what was the reason, what happened to her. All of a sudden, her entire mindset changed. Suddenly one day, mother became ill and she and grandmother went to hospital. Now Kezia mother, she fell ill and obviously she has to be taken to hospital. Now grandmother too has to accompany her mother. The little girl was left alone in the house with uh, Alice, the cook. And that was all right in the daytime. You can see the picture of McDonald's playing with his kids. Okay. But that was all right in the daytime. But while Alice was putting her to bed, she grew suddenly afraid. Now, since mother was ill, she was hospitalized. Someone has to take proper care of mother. So grandmother accompanied. Now, Kezia was all alone at home with the cook, whose name is Alice. It was okay in the daytime. Kezia was fine during the day. But when the night started, and she has to go to bed, Kezia started feeling scared. Now, children are actually scared of this. They are, what I will do if I have a nightmare, she asked. Nightmare, a bad dream, scary dream. So basically, Kezia always used to have nightmares. You know why? Why a child like Kezia was having the nightmares? You know why we dream? Dream is something that means whatever feelings you have kept in your mind, somewhere unconsciously, subconsciously, that appears in the form of dream. Dream क्या है? कुछ आप सोच रहे हो, unconsciously, subconsciously, it will appear in the form of dream. Now, why she was always having nightmares, the scary nightmare? Because she was always scared of her father. And generally छोटे बच्चों को nightmares नहीं आते हैं. Even if they dream, so they will always, you would have seen the small babies, that how they smile innocently in dream. They will always smile, they will always dream of something very good. छोटे छोटे प्यारे बच्चों वाले ड्रीम्स आते हैं. हार्डली कभी कभार कोई मान लो स्कैरी स्टोरी देख लिया समथिंग. बट व्हाई kezia was always having this nightmare? ये इसलिए होता था because she was scared of her father so very much that he was actually hovering in her mind subconsciously, and whenever she was sleeping, that appears in the form of scary dream. Okay, so she had a what will happen, what will I do? Because earlier what was happening, I often have nightmares, and then granny takes me into her bed. I can't stay in the dark. It all gets whispery. Now, this was her imagination. Now, Kezia explained to Alice, her cook, that please don't leave her alone because every night she is having nightmares. And when she was having these nightmares, she would go to her grandmother and obviously she would sleep with her. So she's asking that, oh, please don't leave me all alone in this dark night because I will again have a nightmare and I will again be scared. She could hear different kinds of whispering sounds, which made her feel that there was someone around her, that something is whispering. Now, children are, very imaginative. This imagination. So they started imagining things also. Kezia was also a small girl. She also started imagining things. Whenever she was having nightmares, उसे लगता था, oh, some sounds are also coming. Whispery हो जा रहा है. And this was what was. It was something which was actually hidden in her mind somewhere. And what was that is scary thing? Obviously her father. तो इसीलिए उसे बहुत डर लगता था. So she requested her cook Alice that, oh, I won't be able to sleep all alone. But Alice said, oh, you just go to sleep, child, said Alice, pulling off her socks, and don't you scream and wake your poor pa. Now, poor pa. अब यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Basically, so when she explained everything to Alice, कि okay, please don't leave me all alone. But Alice consoled her, कि okay, don't, you just go to sleep. And then she also, don't scream and wake your poor pa, because Kezia's father was sleeping in the next room. And Alice, that's why Alice instructed her cook, that you will not make any noise, removed her socks and asked her not to scream, and also asked her not to wake her father. And poor pa isliye because father had a very tough day. Obviously, he has to go to his office also. He has to go to hospital also. So many problems that man has to solve. तो है ना, फादर के लिए बहुत हेक्टिक डे हो जाता है, घर का भी काम, हॉस्पिटल भी, सो एवरीथिंग वाज सो मेसी. इसीलिए वो कहती है, प्लीज डोंट वांट हर नॉट टू स्क्रीम एंड वेक हर फादर बिकॉज फादर हैड अ वेरी टफ डे. बट कीजिया वाज हेल्पलेस. और क्या हुआ फिर से? बट द सेम ओल्ड नाइटमेयर केम. फिर से वही डरावना सपना. अब सपना क्या था, इमेजिन करो. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ स्कैरी थिंग शी वाज ड्रीमिंग. एक छोटा बच्चा इतना स्कैरी सपना कैसे देख रहा है? नाउ व्हाट इज शी डूइंग, व्हाट वाज शी ड्रीमिंग? द बुचर is a person who cuts animals. Meat shops सब में जो रहते हैं ना, they are known as butcher. The butcher with a knife and a rope, who came nearer and nearer, smiling that dreadful smile, that scary smile, while she could not move, could only stand still, crying out, Grandma, because she was always sleeping with grandma in the same room. She woke shivering to see father beside her bed, a candle in his hand. So now this is the nightmare. Once again, she went to sleep, but still she had a nightmare. And what type of nightmare she was always having? That there is a butcher who is holding a big knife. Obviously, that knife he will use to cut her, and a rope, and he's approaching towards Kezia. अब वो butcher का जो concept था ना, कहाँ से उसे मिल रहा था? The used man, butcher used to be used or scary, monstrous. She was actually kahin not, I'm not saying directly she was comparing, लेकिन हमारा mind जो होता है ना वो बहुत smart है. वो कहीं subconsciously उस comparison हो रहा है father and butcher, because she always had a feeling that her father is also a monster, a scary thing. Okay, a used man. So she always used to have this nightmare that my father also looked like a butcher who is coming towards me, who wants to kill me. But she had a dreadful, and this butcher had a dreadful, scary smile on his face. And once Kezia would see him, she would feel that she was unable to move. होता ही है ड्रीम्स में भी कभी कभी, if you will have a nightmares, you will unable to yell. आप सोचोगे आपका वॉइस चोक हो जाएगा, आप चाहोगे कि मैं मूव करूं, तो ड्रीम्स में भी ऐसा होता है. And the same was happening with Kezia also. Whenever she was dreaming such a dreadful dream, she was unable to move. She was so much scared of him. She was terrified to see this butcher. And then during her sleep, what she was doing, she was every night, Kezia was crying for help. And whom she was crying? Obviously, she was sleeping in the same room they were sharing, grandmother. So she called for her grandmother. That day also she called for grandmother, but grandmother तो वहाँ थी नहीं. Grandma कहाँ थी? She was in hospital with Kezia's mother. So all of a sudden she woke up. She was shivering. She was trembling. And then she saw something. What was that? Unexpectedly, she saw her father standing next to her bed. And obviously, he was also holding a candle. Basically, father who was sleeping in the next room, he heard her screams. उसका चिल्लाना सुना उन्होंने, सुना होगा. And so he decided to came to her room, and when he would have heard that she's calling for her grandmother, and that's why father, loving father, caring father, obviously he was, it was Kezia who always misjudged him, and so he came to her room. What is the matter, he said. Now he asked Kezia that why did you scream, क्यों भाई? Oh, a butcher, a knife, I want granny. Why did she say I want granny? Because she was knowing father will either punish her, maybe yell at her, चिल्लाएंगे, punish करेंगे, maybe he will hit her also. So Kezia was so much scared of that nightmare that she said that yeah, I saw a butcher who was holding a dreadful knife, but yeah, I want to go to my grandmother. And father, अब यहाँ से father का character देखो. He blew out the candle, bent down and caught up the child in his arms, carrying her along the passage to the big bedroom. Now, here you will see the affection of father. How nice, how compassionate. Father, they are also like mother. ठीक है, माँ आपके साथ ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करती है, ज्यादा एक्सप्रेसिव होती है. Father, they are less expressive, but here father actually took the role of mother also. What did he do? क्या किया उन्होंने? So you can see the affection. He blew the candle and he lifted the child in his arms and took Kezia to his bedroom. A newspaper was on the bed. He put away the paper and then carefully tucked up the child. Tucked here मतलब हो रहा है covered up the child. So she was now, he very nicely, he put the child on the bed and tucked her. यहाँ पे उसे आराम से सुला दिया, जैसे एक generally माँ करती है. So father also did the same thing. He lay down beside her, half asleep still with the butcher's smile all about her, it seemed. She crept close to him, snuggled her head under his arm, held tightly to his shirt. Snuggled, moved into warm, comfortable position. किसी को cozily, comfortably hug करना basically. So Kezia, for very first time, she felt her father's affection. And that is why उसे बहुत secured लगा. Father के साथ क्या? Not only affectionate she felt, she also felt very much secured. बहुत secured लगा उसे पापा के साथ. कि okay, she is safe in her father's arm. जैसे माँ के साथ लगता था या ग्रैंडमदर के साथ लगता था. Similar warmth या कह सकते हो similar compassion she also felt with her father. And that's why she decided she came closer to him. She hugged herself, snuggled herself towards her father, held his shirt tightly so that she would not feel scared again. होता है ना डर लगता है तो बहुत जोर से उसने scared मतलब tightly पापा को hug किया. And now Kezia had overcome her fear of her father. And when did she do all these things? For the very first time, she felt so comfortable, so secure, so loving in her father's arms. And then the dark did not matter. She lay still. So once she was comfortable and secured in her father's arm, she was no longer afraid. Here, rub your feet against my legs and get them warm, said father. Now, father was also so loving that he asked her to rub her feet against his legs because that will give warmth to her. Oh, tired out, he slept before the little girl. Now, father was so tired. Itna, bhai, I told you, father he used to go to office, hospital, lot of things he has to manage in one single day. So he was so, tired that he felt asleep before the little girl. And then a funny feeling came over her face. What happened? And as he slept, a funny feeling came over her. अब देखो how her entire thought process will change, her concept will change, her feelings for her father will change, everything will change. That single moment of compassion and security that she felt in her father's arm, it will change her entire thing. Poor father. See, the father who used to be a monstrous personality for her, a giant for her, now she is thinking, poor father, not so big after all. She used to call him use, monster. और अभी वो कह रही है, no, not so big after all. And with no one to look after him. He was harder than grandmother, but it was a nice hardness. And every day he had to work and was too tired to be Mr. McDonald. She had torn up all his beautiful writing. She stirred suddenly and sighed. Now, for the very first time, Kezia will actually realize her mistake. And she had that, yes, it was her fault. Why father punished her badly, that was her fault. And for the very first time, she too started having an affection for her father. She felt that her father was a poor man. बेचारा, मैंने हमेशा इन्हें misjudge किया, misunderstood किया. He worked so hard. He was not so big as she always found him. Now she felt that her father was a poor man who worked very hard, and so he got so tired that he went off to sleep and did not play with her like Mr. McDonald did with his children. So now see, her entire concept is changing, that my father is so busy, so he has to office में बहुत काम हो, बहुत सारी responsibility हो सकता है, बहुत ऊंचा position, a lot of things are there in the world. So you should also realize that your father is actually working very hard. Mother is working, but father is equally working hard. Rather कभी कभी तो father ज़्यादा hard work करते हैं. So she, for the very first time, she felt. Earlier she used to compare her father to McDonald, but today she felt, okay, maybe he's working so hard that he did not have time to play with her. So she felt her father's heart was also full of love. She realizes that she has torn up his important document. ये भी realization उसे आज हुआ. I really torn up his important document. The speech that he has written. And all this realization makes sure she took a deep breath. She realized for the very first time that she had been wrong, and that is why her father had beaten her. Or maybe he had been so strict to her. Okay, so she stirred. जो वो थोड़ा move की, तो again her father, what's the matter? Asked her father. Another dream. Now father was asleep, but he heard her sigh. Deep breath लिया उसने कि oh, how I always misunderstood my father. So father was so concerned that he asked her, again you whether you are watching again a bad dream or not. Oh, said the little girl, my head's on your heart. I can hear it going. What a big heart you have got, father dear. So story ended with this, positive note. Kezia replied to her father that she has placed her head on her father's heart and she could hear his heartbeat. She also complimented her father. For the very first time in her entire life, perhaps Kezia has complimented her father that you have a big heart. You have such a compassionate big heart. I always had a bad feeling for you, but for the very first time, I'm realizing, and that's why she has a compliment for her father. And in this manner, Kezia showed her love to her father, and she also realized that not only she, but her father also loves her very much. Finally, she realized her father was very loving, caring, generous, compassionate, and also have a big heart. So this is the basic moral of the story, that don't judge your parents, that if they are punishing you, if they are sometimes being strict to you, rude to you, because maybe because they have some circumstances, they have some problems, some responsibilities, maybe some adversities in their life. Because of that, they are they are unable to show their love and compassion. As well, you should also think about it that your parents are working hard, and if they are punishing you, that is also for your benefit. They wanted you to become a nice human being. They wanted you to take the responsibility also. They are actually training you for the future life. So for the very first time, little girl realized her mistake also, and then she felt that yes, her father also loved her. And in this manner, all's well that ends well.